Hey guys, welcome you all to the new video of self scripting, and in this video we're gonna make our own script. We're gonna print our first hello world in the self scripting. So let's get started. First, open your terminal, and I will clear this one. And before this one, I will make the directory named script where we perform our scripts over there. For that, type mkdir scripts, and I will go to the script directory which I have just made, and I will make this maximize for you and zoom a bit. Okay, let's make the environment for writing the script. For that, type touch. I will name as first.sh and hit enter. Touch is for the making the text file, and first.sh is the first script, shell script, where we're gonna perform or write our script over here. Now I will type nano and first.sh and hit enter. Here we are in the environment where we can write our shell script. So let's begin, or let's start writing our command. First, always start with hash exclamation mark /bin/bash. This is the compulsory part before writing the any shell script command, so make sure you don't forget to write this one. So I will give the space over here, and I will type echo. Basically what echo does is it's reflect the statement which were desired to print. It's work like printf or print. I will type hello world. So up to now, I guess everyone understood what I have done, and I will save this one. And okay, I type ls. As you can see here, our first command is here, says scripting command is here. Now I will change the permission for first.sh. For that, type chmod 777 first.sh. Now type ls, and now we're ready to execute our command, our first command, first shell script command, or you can say type sudo bash first.sh and give the password for bash. And as you can see, the hello world is printed. So that's it for the first video. Our first objective is to how can we print the hello world in the shell scripting file. So we have done that. So that's it for now. Hope you like the video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe.